In primetime news this evening, more protest. St. Anne Group continues objection to Dolphin facility despite lawsuit. Malaria watch. Health Ministry ramps up vigilance at island sports. And waste to energy. Local government to give update on dump divestment. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrew Laidley is here to give us a preview. Andrew?
Yeah, Herman, how did you complete your holiday transactions last year? Was it with cash or did you decide to make electronic payments? Well, holiday spending patterns are changing, and I'll have the details from the Bank of Jamaica a little later in the financial week.
Okay, good. I think there are more cards than cash this year. From business, we go to sports. Jordan Fort is here to tell us what's coming up. Jordan?
Well, Herman, you know that the RJR Gleaner Group Sports Foundation National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards comes up in just a couple weeks' time. And organizers are expecting a more entertaining TV package this year, with some presentations having been cut from the live TV program. I'm going to tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Friday.
All right, thanks, Jordan. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before we take the break, here is our feedback question. Question this evening: do you recycle any plastic or other waste material? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.